Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Patreon for artists, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining what Patreon is and why it's beneficial for artists. Explain that Patreon allows creators to receive payment directly from their fans or patrons. Highlight the importance of creating an account on Patreon. Guide viewers to visit patreon.com and click on the sign up button. Encourage them to sign up using their email address or connecting their Facebook account. Once signed up, instruct them to choose between a personal or business account. Advise them to fill in their profile details, including their name, profile picture, and bio. Suggest that they include information about their art style and what patrons can expect. Highlight the significance of showing examples of their work in the profile. Guide them to set up their tiers, which are different levels of membership for patrons. Encourage them to create at least 3 tiers to give patrons multiple options. Explain that each tier should offer unique rewards, such as exclusive content, merchandise, or commissions. Remind them to price their tiers fairly, reflecting the value of what they're providing. Instruct them to set up payment details so they can receive funds from patrons. Explain how to connect their bank account or PayPal for easy transactions. Guide them to create engaging content for their Patreon page. Encourage them to think about behind-the-scenes content, tutorials, or special projects. Advise them to establish a regular posting schedule to keep patrons engaged. Explain the importance of promoting their Patreon on social media and other platforms. Suggest sharing exclusive previews or sneak peeks of their work to attract new patrons. Encourage them to interact with their patrons, responding to comments and messages. Highlight the value of feedback and how it can improve their work. Remind them to regularly assess and update their goals and tiers as they grow. Conclude by emphasizing the potential of Patreon to help artists connect with their audience and create sustainable income. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.